Hi all, this is some old footage I took when we were rebuilding the shop. This is all about the CNC, building the large doors which we're going to be using to load slabs in directly from the yard. First of all, then followed by unpacking and loading the CNC. It was really difficult. The CNC was ordered before the fire and was ready to ship around a week after the fire, so it had to be stored for almost a year. Quite stressful because, as you'll see later on, the packaging was damaged in the container, so we didn't know what we were going to find. It also had to sit in my yard for a good few months, and unloading it was an epic task without really specialist forklift. So stay tuned. First off, building the doors, then unloading, and then you'll finally see the first test cut. So these doors are nothing particularly special. They were oak clad on the outside just so they fit in with the aesthetics of the building. But what we're trying to do is build something really solid and really insulated. The whole workshop is really insulated.
This edge first because I need to push this along.
Just drop that down a little bit.
You put, do that one now, yeah, do that one now. And I'll put it back. Alright, now I have. That's it, alright.
Both these jobs, as we got to the end, we were really lucky. The contractors were still here. Really great team who did the rebuild, and they helped us. These doors are really heavy. They helped us hang the doors, and they also helped us, which was more importantly, get this CNC in the building, which was a nightmare. So now to the part I'd been dreading for months, unpacking and seeing if anything's salvageable or what kind of state the CNC's in, and then trying to work out how we're going to unload it. So as you can see, the roof had sort of buckled in. When it arrived, I put some pallets on there and we tried to put tarpaulins on. It was in the winter and we had some mega storms. I think the tarpaulin ripped off about 3 or 4 times. It had come wrapped, as you can see, in like a cling film, and it was all greased. There was slight parts that needed cleaning and some rust on the odd bit, but overall it seemed to survive. So my son is a fabricator and is pretty much used to working with huge steel structures on farms and whatnot, and basically he came up with the idea that I just sit on the edge by the forks and that would balance it, and it actually did work. So the side doors were designed to load stock in from the yard, like slabs, and also to actually get the machine in. And it was a bit touch and go. We used a pallet truck, and I bought 4 casters, like industrial machine casters for moving it around. The one thing I didn't get, unfortunately, was how we got the gantry in, which was really difficult with fork extensions, but unfortunately the video did not record. Okay, so the big moment where I get to test it. Still not much of an expert on this. All I've really used it for is leveling slabs at this point. There's no dust extraction. This was just a test cut, so we're just doing the first slab.